How to choose Leave at Door option on Uber Eats. To select the Leave at Door option on Uber Eats, you may follow up these steps. So first of all, you may just head over and open up the Uber Eats application, and you can follow up this process either through when you are checking out, or you can directly follow up this process within your account. So for that, for your account, you can tap on your account option in the bottom right corner once you are on your screen. Tap on it, and then it should lead you to watch your profile page. Now, within different given options, you may locate up your profile, usually located in the top right corner, and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, here you'll be finding your account and your saved places. Look out for saved places, tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on that option, I'll wait for the space to load up first. You will be seeing your location and everything. Once you're okay with your location, from this drop up options, you need to look slow, like you need to scroll down a bit and you will be finding drop off options. You can look out for this option of meet at my door, edit it out. And here we can select this option of meet at my door or leave at location, the second option. Tap on it. And here you can select this option like leave at my door or leave at the reception if you're on office. After that, you can type in instructions for your delivery person. After that, you can even add up a picture if you would like to give more clearer instructions. And once that is done, you can tap on update. And that way, you can choose leave at door option within any kind of applications, such as Uber Eats as well. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.